Conic is the largest dedicated turret punch press tooling maker in Japan. Conic supplies tools for standard punching tools and special forming tools. Conic is producing turret punch press tools internally in our own factory in all processes qualified by ISO 9001. That is the reason Conic supplies tools in short delivery with high quality. Technical center that is established in the factory is the core of production study and development. Technology of Technical Center is useful in the production improvement, new product development, and contribution in the sheet metal market. All of the special forming tools are tested by the latest technology turret punch press machine in the Technical Center before shipping. Our technical specialist staff inspect all forming tools by highly accurate inspection systems. Conic guarantees the tooling quality so that customers can use Conic tools with reliable mind. Another part of the Technical Center is production improvement and new product development based on requests from customers. Conic is trying to do our best in product development in order to supply customers' requirement with an endurance test and function inspection of testing tool by technical staff. Conic forming tools are our most skillful area. Conic knows very well about turret punch press and processing material. For more than 30 years, Conic has created high-quality tools through the know-how of design of special tools and processing technology. These technologies are also used in the press tool area for automobile parts and special press tool area. Please request your quotation with your requirement drawings of special shape and forming tools to Conic. We offer the advanced technology tools quickly at a very reasonable price. Please request your inquiry to our staff.